IDE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. This is an official website of Python IDLE. It is a default editor that accompanies Python. This IDE is suitable for beginner-level developers. The IDLE tool can be used on Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Price is free. You can click here to turn on download page. Just click open and make sure add to Python path, which is very important. And click install now. Actually there are. Most notable features of IDLE include ability to search for multiple files, interactive interpreter with syntax highlighting, an error and IO messages, smart indenting, along with basic text editor features, a very capable debugger. Cross-platform, works mostly the same on Windows, Unix, and Mac OS. Python shell window, interactive interpreter, with colorizing of code input, output, and error messages. Multi-window text editor with multiple undo, Python colorizing, smart indent, call tips, auto-completion, and other features. Search within any window, replace within editor windows, and search through multiple files, grep. Debugger with persistent breakpoints, stepping, and viewing of global and local namespaces. Configuration, browsers, and other dialogues. After completed, click Finish. And set up it. You can search, in Start, for IDLE. You get it. The best IDE for Python is PYCHARM. This is official website of PYCHARM. There are two versions, Professional and Community. If you want to start practice, then Community Edition is best. Click download the Community Edition. It is a widely used Python IDE created by JetBrains. Support for JavaScript, CSS, and TypeScript. Smart code navigation. Quick and safe code refactoring. Support features like accessing databases directly from the IDE. Click and complete the process and set up it. This is PYCHARM IDE, and a great interface to do your coding. Click New Project. And select your location and create it. In next video we will discuss some theoretical concepts of Python after we move that complete coding process. Also don't forget to subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching.